benefit in greater benefit. So I will capture him, and then there can be other evidences also with that person.
You don't have the time like that.
No, as such, sir, the situation that I am in conversation. So there is a very
You are in conversation with the person,
yes, sir.
not your boss or the superior officers.
So, sir, as such, he don't have a weapon type of things. So, sir, I don't think, sir, that suit.
Whatever the circumstances he might be having, but your boss has ordered to shoot him.
No, sir, until and unless there is no threat type of situation from that person. So I don't
But
think.
there are calls or intelligence inputs that that person is very harmful.
Sir, then there is training given to me to tackling these situations. So if there is single person, so I will go to catch him.
How UP East is different from the UP West?
Sir, the eastern UP is a little bit less developed as compared to western UP, and also, sir, the southern portion of Uttar Pradesh, like the southern district of Sonbhadra, Chandauli, and Mirzapur, they are somewhat affected with the left-wing extremism. So there is less development. Also in the southern state of Bundelkhand, they are also less developed because of the geographical regions, like there is less rainfall. Eastern UP, when specifically we talk about, so there are natural disasters like the flood every year, and there is a proximity to Tarai region. So there is also the threats like every year there is Japanese encephalitis. So health related also, and so there is a backwardness in the parameters like when you talk about the total fertility rate, that is above than the western part of that is approximately, sir, 4 in between 4 and 5, and in national average it is 2 and 2.2. So in that aspect, sir, it is less developed.
Okay, and what is? Can you tell me about a brief description about Yamuna Expressway?
Sir, Yamuna Expressway, it starts from this Noida, and ends in sir, Agra. I think, sir, 180, 160 or 180 kilometers. Exactly, I'm not sure. But
What is defense corridor?
sir, there are two defense corridor coming in. One is in Tamil Nadu and other is in Aligarh. So it is more for our independence regarding the defense equipments, and also recently Ministry of Defense announced that we are going for 101 weapons that were made in India. So in that aspect, sir, there is more made in India and self-development type of thing.
What is the impact of peace pact between UAE and Israel?
Sir, what sir, India's dependence on the Middle East is?
I'm asking about the impact on that particular region in Middle East, yeah, or in Middle Asia.
Sure. Sorry, sir, I'm not. Okay, thank you, sir.